Assalamu alaikum, welcome back in Tech24 channel. Today I am going to show that how can we fix up Chrome browser in maximum tabs when using more works with browser. So let's start. Now open your Chrome browser. So look here, there are two titles, one new tab and how to it is the YouTube tab. Now it's new one and another new one. It is the newspaper. Register. When you work in many tabs using our browser, look, open is another tab. That I open 6 tabs. When you complete start working many tabs, for this time unfortunately you close these apps, but it is very hamper for your working. And how can it realize to come back fit? Now look again, search Chrome. When I press the browser, I select one which the profile, because I maximum tabs and a Chrome extension user. So this is the call this browser. Now look here, this browser is come up again this steps with 6 tabs and no shutdown any tabs. It is very and easy useful Chrome browser update features. So how can you set these settings in your browser? So let's start. Now you open your settings and go back on startup. Look here on startup. On startup, open the new tab page. Continue where you left off. Open a specific page or set of your page. There are 3 options for you, and Chrome features user friendly. So I think the continue where you left off, it is the good features, because when you off your Chrome browser and close, it is most important for you smart user. And if you want to open single page, you click on single page, and if you want to specific browser page, when you open your Chrome and you select add a new page, use current page as you chose. And I hope that this tutorial is very helpful for you. Thank you watching this video. Stay connected with this Tech24 channel.